Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to cancel sent invitations from your LinkedIn account, and here I show the steps for desktop and mobile app users. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, click to open your LinkedIn account profile. So now in this homepage section, in almost top it shows some options. So here you can select my network and the second one, and it shows no pending invitations. So here you can go to manage, and here also it shows no new invitations are not available, and this is received invitations, but you can select send invitation tab. So now it shows on LinkedIn profile and I sent the invitation to that particular person. So if you want to cancel this invitation, by simply press withdraw option, but it shows on notification. So if you withdraw now, you want to be able to resend to this person for up to 3 weeks, and this restriction is from LinkedIn team. So once you read this message and then proceed your cancellation, and this is for PC mode. So next one is, if you are using the LinkedIn app, so just click to open it. So same way you can go to my network section and it is placed at the bottom, and then press invitations arrow mark, and this is received invitation, but you can select sent invitation. So finally you can click to withdraw this sent invitation, and this app version also shows the same notification, so you can read carefully. So this is the way you can easily cancel your sent invitations from your LinkedIn profile. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.